I am Hans and this is my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to take the Hero 9 out and we are going to do a hyperlapse with it. And we're going to do that right now. Let's go! So the plan is to go over to my friend Neal's house, who has these incredible fast scooters with full suspension on them. And we're going to borrow one. We're going to put this on a chest mount and we're going to go right around, do a big loop, and we're going to come back and we are going to see what the hyperlapse looks like on that. I haven't been able to do one on this yet. I did do a video this morning when I was walking back over from his house and I was filming myself, and originally I didn't have the stabilization turned on, and I was like, oh yeah, I need to push that little button. I pushed that button and all of a sudden the video was just rock solid. Like, I mean, better than a gimbal for sure. It was so good. There was no up and down motion as I was walking. You could see my head moving up and down, but like the background is just rock solid. So I'm very, very impressed with this so far, and I can't wait to see what this hyperlapse looks like. So let's go over and talk to Neal right now. This is Neal's amazingly fast and furious scooter. We're gonna do a
new tire, but haven't put it on yet. So
I'm gonna go try to wear that one out for him.
So couple things. This is your dual motor right here, or single motor. Okay. It's on single right now. Okay. And you'll probably be fine, Hans, with single. Okay. So
I don't want to go fast. I did that test on my bike this morning, and under 20 miles an hour is going to look really good. So. Okay.
Well, then you'll be fine with it in single motor. So you'll feel really confident.
Okay.
Throttle here. Okay. With the finger. Front brake. This is different than a bike. Okay. Rear brake. Okay. Turn signals. Okay. If you want to use them. And if you push it on, they'll turn red. And it just basically suppresses, and then you have to push it again to make it come up. Sometimes they get a little bit stuck if I push really hard, but not typically.
Can you tell that they're on and off? Oh, I gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
And then I just put some cheap Amazon headlights on here. That's all you need to know. And then if you want, I put a damper on it. How I have it here is how I like it. It's a little bit suppressed, and you shouldn't have a problem. Yeah. Are you goofy footed or regular footed on snowboard?
Goofy foot.
Okay, me too. So then what you do is you want to have one in the back. I usually kind of brace it up against this, and then one in the front. Okay. Like that.
And it's self-balancing.
Well,
I'm just kidding. Oh, you made it look so easy. I'm like, oh, that's cool.
There you have it, Hans.
Okay.
Yep.
We'll do it. thing was so much fun to ride. You would not believe, just like it never felt like it ran out of any juice. It just kept going and going and going. It was really, really nice. Super fun. I gotta get one of these. Now I gotta get one of these. Why did I ride this thing? Dang it. Now I need one. Now I gotta get one. Let's see if we can find Neal.
How'd it go?
Good. It was like, that thing is so fast. It's crazy. It's so good. It's so fast. I mean, I gotta get one now. I'm kind of bummed that I even rode it because it's so cool. Now I want one. Where do you see the battery?
So we started at 91%. How far did you you went up to the old mill and back? So that's probably 6 miles. So you probably went a total of about 12 miles. So we went from 91% to 72% on 12 miles. It's pretty good. However, it's not perfectly like linear. When you hit about 30 or 35%, you really have about 10% charge left.
I mean, you said maybe another, what, 30?
40 miles on a single motor, especially if you weren't like throttling it the whole time too, like coasting a little bit. Yeah, you could have easily gotten that far.
I noticed a lot of time, like I was just on the trigger. I was just kind of like this, just because it's like, if you would just go so fast if you had it on. What are you doing up there? You and the cat. If you had it on and you were like really throttling all the time, you just start going so fast.
So even in a single motor, you know, with this, so there's a couple different modes here too. You can go, you know, all the scooters basically have this mode 1, 2, and 3, which is a speed limiter, not a power limiter.
Right.
And so if you have it on 3, it'll just keep accelerating to the point where it would on a dual motor. So the dual motor just allows it to accelerate more quickly. You can get going pretty fast on a single motor. So the Dualtrons, you can do all kinds of upgrades. So they have new, you know, you can get a whole new stem set. This one's nice because you can fold it down if you want to. I've never folded it down a single time. It was built for the Dualtron series to go, and this is the newest one. It has a little oil suppressor in there that you can dial down here. And that was built for the Dualtron Thunder itself, which you won't see that with other scooters.
That helps a lot when you're, you know, it keeps the steering wheel from wanting to move around.
If you don't have that on there, you don't want to take your hands off.
Yeah.
But when you have it on there, it feels like you could almost just, you know, almost. But you could take a hand off at least, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The Magura brake, but it's designed for the electric bikes and electric scooters. So that little piece there, click that little tap, turns on your back brake lights. Two pistons, so it's 4-piston. So usually, you know, very easy to use. You probably noticed that.
I did notice it. So I grabbed them downtown and I was like, oh.
Yeah. It's just like a one finger.
Yeah.
The only other thing I added on here is this rear handle. So you can pick this up. It weighs about 100 pounds. So if I need to get picked up by the wife or there's rain or whatever, I can just throw it in the back.
I know that this video was supposed to be all about the hyperlapse that we did with the new GoPro, but it's really turned into an interesting scooter thing. So we're going to come back and do another video with Neal here pretty soon. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. You'll see me in the next video.
Let's go!